Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to integrate Stripe with DropFunnels. So what you need is a Stripe account and a DropFunnels account. So if you don't have any of them, I put the link down below on the description. So go ahead and create your accounts. And then what you want to do is to go on Stripe, click on developers and then API keys. And so right here you're gonna have your publishable key. So you want to go ahead and copy this and you want to go inside of DropFunnels, click on integration, and under live public key you want to paste this key. Okay, now you want to go back to Stripe and you want to create a new secret key. You want to name it DropFunnels. You want to click on create and you want to copy this key. Okay, so make sure that when you close you have copied this key because you won't be able to see it anymore. Okay, so copy this key and go back to DropFunnels and paste it inside of the live secret key. And so just like this. And right now for the test mode, you want to go ahead and click on view test data. And you want to go ahead and copy this PK test and go back to DropFunnels and paste this under test public key. And then you want to go ahead and click on reveal key. And you want to copy this and you want to paste this under test secret key. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and click on save Stripe integration. Okay, and then it's gonna save all of this information and voila. So that's it for this video. Really simple, really quick. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, as usual, put them down below in the comments and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification on the channel. It helps me grow and it helps me release new video and help you guys out. So that being said, have a great day and I will talk to you soon. Peace!